Look at this fountain. It runs all night. It's a USB fountain. It runs on the same power bank you would use for a cell phone, an iPad, or who knows, whatever. Yes, I leave it run all night, and it runs for days. And when it runs out, I have two of them. I swap it out. Look at this hummingbird. Now, I hope you noticed in the beginning, it was running all night, and I don't have to get up at this hour to go put the USB bank out, the power bank, because it's already running. If it was solar, there would be no fountain running for this bird. This is a hummingbird. It's a little Rufus. He is so excited. I've never seen this before, and that's the reason I'm putting this up. And I want you to enjoy this with me. Look at the time stamp on here. This hummingbird got up at 5:30 in the morning to take a bath. I don't know where he's been sleeping to be this dirty, because there is a reason why I'm putting this one up. Let me explain to you what I do with these fountains. This is a pet fountain that you would use for a dog or cat in the house. Comes with filters and everything, and if you watch my videos, I have so many. We don't use the filters. We tweak it a little bit, and we set it up for the birds. Now, it's not just the hummingbirds using it. Everybody's using it. But the hummingbirds absolutely love it. Now, it usually comes with a little spout, which the hummingbirds will use as well. But this is a plain old clay flower pot, a small one. You could even go smaller if you wanted to. Just sitting inverted, upside down, over a straw. Now, why do I like clay flower pots? Because their little tiny nails can grip on that texture. All they have to do is land like a helicopter and they can hang on. Keep watching this and watch that timestamp. I love making these fountains. Now, I absolutely love the solars that are in my garden. I have them all over. I think there's a dozen or more. I switch them out here and there and change them so they're kind of different for me and different for the birds. Gives them kind of an exciting life of not knowing what's going to be next. But the pet fountains are unique. Nobody's used them for this. For outdoor birds, you put them outside. They're waterproof. You got water in there. And all you need is a power bank. You can use almost any size you want. I've even used a 2000 unit, but I'm using here a 20 and I have used a 10. A 20,000, which will cost you about $20, will last, at least for me, 4 days and 4 nights. So of course, if you unplugged it at night, it would go for a week. I have 2 of them, so all I have to do is when I see it's not running, just swap it out and charge up the one that's not running. Be ready for when this one stops. The birds love it. Now look at that timestamp. You don't have to, like I said, run it all night. You could shut it off at night or unplug it. They actually do have shut-offs. I bought one. Or you can leave it, and when it runs out, swap it. I have it hanging, if you can just barely see on the bottom to the left, in a pencil bag that you put in a notebook. And I also have it covered with a plastic bag, so if it rains or something, it won't get wet. That's the only part you don't want to get wet, is your power bank. But the rest of it, don't worry about it. I have it sitting in a plain old bowl I picked up at the dollar store with some flowers that I'm propagating right now. It's actually geraniums. Watch that timestamp. I have never seen this before. I'm not saying it's unique. I don't even know. I love these because the birds love them and they are reliable. Unlike if the sun goes down or gets behind a cloud, your solar fountains will stop. And of course, that's okay. And once the sun comes back out, peeks around the cloud, the birds will come back and use your fountain. But this is totally going all the time until you unplug it or until the power bank runs out. And keep in mind, you can get those on sale sometimes so cheap, the power banks. The units, the pet fountains, they'll run anywhere from, let's say, $10 on up to about $25. You get the one you want. Can you see this bird took a bath for 5 minutes? I've never seen that. I've seen some hummingbirds take a bath for, a minute, sometimes 2, but 5? Look at this. Little goldfinch came in for a drink and the housefinch knocked him away. But let me tell you something, this is a lot of fun. It's well worth the money. And then just so you know, you can swap out and put a solar fountain kit in this. You can take the USB pump out, which is so easy to remove. Just pop it out and pop in a solar one, and you can run it solar. So you run it the way you want. Get yourself a solar kit, have them both there, and swap them around. That's what I do sometimes. But I just wanted to show you that these birds love it, and that's why I let it run all night. So this way, they can get up at the crack of dawn when you're still in bed, thinking, oh, I'm not getting up this early, and they can take their bath. I wonder where in the world that bird slept that he was so dirty in the morning that he had to scrub for 5 minutes. I don't know, maybe he just wanted to start the day fresh. So with that, have a wonderful day. And don't forget to eat what you grow. And go check out all the videos because I have a ton of ways that we are setting this up. But I thought it would be fun to see a cheap old flower pot they can pick up for under a couple bucks. Just turn it upside down. Don't have to do anything but rinse it before you set it up. And you are good to go to set up on your patio, your deck, in your garden, out your window, wherever you want, where you can enjoy it and so can the birds. With that, have a wonderful day. And don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. You know, I can watch them all day and it's really hard to get stuff done.